Hey there, welcome back. If you're a Wells Fargo customer looking to send or receive money quickly and securely, Zelle is a game changer. In today's video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about using Zelle with your Wells Fargo account. Whether you're splitting a bill with friends or paying a family member, this guide will have you set up in no time. First off, what's Zelle? It's a fast, free way to send money directly from your bank account to someone else's, all through your phone. And the great news is, if you have a Wells Fargo account, you're already in a good spot since they fully support Zelle. To get started, make sure you have the Wells Fargo mobile app downloaded on your smartphone. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, look for the Zelle option. It's usually under the Transfer or Payments section. If you haven't enrolled yet, you'll need to do that first. Tap on Zelle and follow the prompts to link your account. You'll be asked to verify your email or phone number, so make sure it's the one your contacts have. Now, let's talk about sending money. After enrollment, search for the recipient's name or email in the Zelle network. If they're enrolled, you can enter the amount and add a note, like, dinner last night. Double-check everything before hitting send. Transactions are usually instant. For receiving money, it's just as easy. When someone sends you funds via Zelle to your enrolled email or phone, it goes straight into your Wells Fargo account, often within minutes. A few things to keep in mind. There might be daily or monthly limits on how much you can send, so check your Wells Fargo settings. Also, Zelle is free for most transactions, but always confirm with your bank. And for safety, never share your login details and use it only with trusted people to avoid scams. There you have it. Using Zelle with Wells Fargo is straightforward and super convenient. Give it a try and make your money transfers hassle-free. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.